iCUE features a selection of advanced lighting presets and powerful customization tools to make your devices light up just the way you want them to. To begin setting up device lighting, simply click on the tile for your device from the main iCUE window. Proceed to the Lighting Effects section and start adding layers by clicking the plus button. You can have as many layers as you want for your lighting effects, but in most cases, 1 to 3 layers should be enough. Each layer can be customized using the drop-down menu, and, depending on the device, assigned to specific zones, keys, and LEDs by clicking in the preview window. You can select multiple LEDs or keys by clicking and dragging, or by holding down Control while clicking. For this tutorial, we created one layer that applies a spiral rainbow to the K95 light edge, a moving visor effect on the number row and WASD on the second layer, and a static white to the rest of the keys on the third layer. Also, if you want to sync your device lighting across your entire system, the Lighting Link presets make this incredibly easy to do, since you can set it up from one device and it will automatically apply to the rest of your hardware. And that's it. iCUE provides a nearly limitless degree of control over your lighting in order to make your system truly yours. For more information on iCUE, be sure to check out more of our tutorial videos or visit our website at www.corsair.com/iCUE. Thanks for watching.